In today's video, I'll show you how to set up tracking URLs in HubSpot so you can monitor the performance of your marketing campaigns and see exactly where your traffic is coming from. First, log into your HubSpot account at hubspot.com. Once on your dashboard, click the settings gear icon in the top navigation. Next, navigate to Tracking and Analytics. Here, you'll find the option to create tracking URL. Click on it to start setting up your unique URL. Now fill in your campaign details, such as campaign name, source, medium, and any other relevant parameters. These ensure your tracking is accurate and meaningful. Once all fields are complete, click Create to generate your tracking URL. You can now use this URL in your campaigns and start collecting valuable data on where your traffic is coming from. And that's it. With this simple setup, you're ready to analyze your campaign performance and make smarter marketing decisions.